You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English, an interesting word indeed. The habit or style of using extremely long fancy words when you speak or write. In British English, the pronunciation is as sesquipedality. Sesquipedality. In American English, however, it's generally said as sesquipedality. Sesquipedality or sesquipedality. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.